Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this writing and photographs that they blocked out their face. I'm glad they did, if that's the real person. He sent me this in paragraph text. I've never done it in paragraph text, so I was having problems. I thought it maybe was a shape, so I took the Smart Fill tool, filled in a shape. There's nothing wrong with this shape, but so we'll use that shape. I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to make a copy of this. So I'm going to go Control C. And then I'm going to get my text tool. Let me zoom in here. Get my text tool, and I'm going to go to this line. And you're going to see that squiggly line. Move over just a little bit more, and you'll get a bounding box looking box. And then Control V to paste it in there. And I think I picked the right size font. No, we're at summer. And the reason should be the last word. This makes it a little bit difficult because now I don't know that we can edit the text. So if we go to text and I'm trying to find an edit text. So we can make it 9 points. Okay, there it is. So you might have to either alter this. I'm glad I figured that out because it's, you see, we go 9.5 and it's got summer. I mean, we're really close. Well, I don't see summer on there. But I'm glad so now let's try 9.2. And see, I can't even see that summer. So let's go 9.3. I just don't do this enough. Hey, it's going to work. 9.4. Look at that. Now, that is a bounding box, so we can take away the outline. Let's take away this. Now, when we grab it, the bounding box will, no, it doesn't show up. And the bounding box doesn't ever print. That's pretty cool. I like it. Now, whether they're going to print it or whatever, so it might have been, he'd been trying it might have been your shape, so just make a new shape. And you sent it to me in artistic text, or you sent it to me in paragraph text. I even tried converting it to artistic text. But that little line is the paragraph text. See that little deal? And then let's go Control V again. But I did, yeah. See, we're at that summer. Say in your, well, there's your text editor. If you didn't click off of it, you still have your text editor. And also right here. So we didn't have to do that. So don't, if you click off this, you can't go back. So if we put that 9.4, there we go. Now see what I was saying though, if you click on this and click off, now you don't have a text editor. Anyway, I'm glad it worked out. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.